This next song, actually, this is for my wife for dedication to my wife. She's never heard this song yet, so. We have two kids running around, these two boys. We actually have triplets, 2 boys and a girl. And the girl lived about a month before she passed. And it took me about 10 years to write this. Song was entitled Sweet Pamakani. I wrote this song for my little girl. Her name was Luika, named after my great grandmother. The song talks about how sweet and beautiful she was as she lay there in our arms. Oh, hail, Valley, oh, sweet Bakalana. Where you are, my sweet Bakalana. Sorry, Pamakani. Pamakani is a rare flower that is suffering in the islands. There's only like 5 left in the world, and it's in Honolulu, in the mountains of Kaena. And it's carefully watched by Dila and Ara. In the 3rd verse, it said, I'm standing beneath the moonlight, my sweet Pakalana, my sweet Pamakani. Your gentle eyes and minds to love. This verse talks about when we were told that our daughter had just about seconds more to live. So we went in this little room, and as you both hold her, as a little light was above us, little tiny light just shining on her. It's like just sitting under the moonlight. And here's a song called Sweet Pamakani. For my wife, she didn't hear it yet. Oh sweet Pamakani, Ikeia, Mailoe, Aheipo, Na.